Hi everyone. We have been harvesting carrots from these containers over the past month. And today we want to show you the timeline from seed to harvest, so that you get an idea of what to expect when you grow your own. I think these are 10-gallon containers, but shorter varieties like Royal Chantenay grow well in shallow containers as well. We added a handful of organic fertilizer to these containers with higher P and K ratio, which is preferred by root crops. We sowed the seeds in mid-June. Carrots are slow to germinate, and it is important to keep the soil moist during this process. So, we kept our containers covered with cardboard and checked for germination every day. Because summer is so hot, we kept these containers in shade for the most part of August and watered them quite often because containers dry out fast. There was definitely lush growth on the top during September and October, but the roots were not growing in size. We will talk about how we fixed it in just a few seconds. We made our first harvest on 9th November. We were happy with the size of the roots. We made the next harvest on 14th November and we are pretty happy with it. We harvested the carrots that were larger in size and left the smaller ones in so that they can size up. As we mentioned earlier, our carrots had lush growth on top, but roots were thin and spindly. It was a very simple trick that made the roots swell up. We show it in the video linked on the screen, so do check it out.